FC Barcelona's Grand Fortress is finally getting its makeover. Camp Nou is finally getting its dual upgrades with cutting-edge facilities and a massive seating upgrade. But opened in 1957, the stadium became FC Barcelona's stronghold, seeing Johan Cruyff's brilliance, Ronaldo's charm, and Lionel Messi's supremacy. Despite its illustrious history, Camp Nou is showing its age. The iconic venue currently struggles with outdated facilities, which is halting the modern football experience for the fans. And probably the biggest problem is the lack of a roof, which postpones matches, causes fans to endure harsh weather, and makes hosting mega events a challenge. Barcelona's aim with Camp Nou's renovation isn't restricted to just the stadium. The renovation is part of FC Barcelona's multi-billion-dollar project Espire Bara. They aim to transform their facilities into a modern sports and entertainment hub for sports enthusiasts all over the world. Through Espire Bara, they look to bring modern infrastructure, innovation, and sustainability to the city of Barcelona. At the heart of this mega project is, of course, the new Camp Nou. With an enhanced seating capacity of 105,000, it will restore its position as Europe's largest football stadium. But Espire Bara extends beyond football. The proposal also includes a renovated Palau Blaugrana, which will house Barcelona's basketball, handball, and futsal teams. With this project, FC Barcelona is prioritizing sustainability and technology to offer its fans the best experience with minimum damage to the environment. Camp Nou's new roof will have solar panels to create clean, renewable energy to power the stadium. 3D renderings of the new and improved Camp Nou Stadium show the immaculate jump in scale. The place, which was once a historic but aging structure, is being transformed into a futuristic and modern arena. Camp Nou's open-air seating and gray concrete stands will be transformed into an enclosed stadium with different sections and a 360-degree video scoreboard. The arena's surrounding area will be repurposed into public plazas, fun zones, and green spaces. This mission to turn Camp Nou into a cutting-edge stadium has been long and convoluted, with failures, delays, and ambitious claims. The idea of rebuilding the stadium originated in 2014, before moving to Estadi Olympic Luis companies until Camp Nou is completed. Barcelona would have returned to Camp Nou by late 2024, and not all 105,000 fans will witness its return. Camp Nou is expected to fully open in 2026, guaranteeing the stadium is fully operational for the 2026 to 2027 season. Regardless of the delays, when completed, Camp Nou will be Europe's most modern and largest football stadium, marking the start of a new era for FC Barcelona. Will it get delayed even further, or will FC Barcelona finally return to their home? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're enjoying the video so far, then do give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel for more videos, leading prices to rise and delivery to be delayed. Barcelona has faced shortages of steel, concrete, and other necessary components, making it impossible to stick to the original timeline. These delays have impacted building projects globally, including the Camp Nou restoration. Bureaucratic barriers and safety standards have also complicated matters. Renovating a stadium of this size necessitates a number of permissions and approvals, each of which takes time. Ensuring that Camp Nou fulfills contemporary environmental and structural safety requirements has been a time-consuming task, resulting in additional delays. Since they have no control over the stadium scheduling, they have to carefully plan out their matches, which is really tricky. These factors, from the temporary stadium to financial constraints, have led to this delay in Camp Nou's opening. But the club and fans are determined and excited to come home. FC Barcelona is slated to return to the Camp Nou in May 2025, but it will not be a full house just yet. Initially, the stadium will have a limited capacity of 60,000 seats, much below its eventual aim of 105,000. This staged reopening lets renovations proceed, while also allowing supporters to watch their team play at home again. The renovated Camp Nou, despite its small capacity, offers a modern football experience like nothing before. Probably the most exciting addition to Camp Nou is the highly anticipated 360-degree digital screen. This screen will be wrapped around the arena's new roof and will display replays, real-time match stats, and other infographics to keep the spectators entertained. This unique experience will surely be a standout feature of the new stadium, which many clubs will probably try to replicate. If you're seeking the best experience of the stadium, then the stadium's new premium hospitality lounges and VIP seating will provide you the best seats with top-tier luxury services. Players will finally have an ultra-modern dressing room and player tunnels. The new Camp Nou will offer more than just football matches. The new 360-degree screen accompanied by the new seating will offer fans an unparalleled experience. The redesigned club museum will display FC Barcelona's rich history and allow fans to revisit iconic moments. They'll shift from a manual to a digital ticketing system so that fans won't have to wait in long queues. Thanks to the modern facilities, enhanced fan experience, and futuristic design, the new stadium will be FC Barcelona's big step toward greatness. Initially, the renovation of Camp Nou was estimated at over $900 million. As the new stadium will generate more matchday revenue thanks to more seats, hospitality boxes, and sponsorship deals. A big chunk of this investment was given by Spotify, who have bought the naming rights to Camp Nou. As the stadium finally reopens in May 2025, fans are waiting eagerly to witness FC Barcelona's return to Camp Nou after a long 2 years at Montjuic. When the stadium finally opens for the full 105,000 spectators, it will be magical. That's all for today. What match would you want to watch at the new Camp Nou Stadium? Let us know in the comments. And while you're there, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.